Come here, DogDay. Sit on my lap. Oh, you're so cute. Want to play catch? Here you go. Go, DogDay.
Wanna play with me?
What the?
Here's your new playpen.
Help!
Have you found the ball, DogDay? Where are you? Oh no! Your dog tag! This is not happening! What's up? Wednesday! Look, DogDay is missing! Okay, I get it. Let's see what I can do. Here's a detective kit. But first, we gotta check the forensic tablet. This is gonna help us get some clues. Can it do that? Let's take a look. Nothing unusual here. Wait a minute. There are scratches on the door, and a fingerprint too. Those are good clues to begin with. Let's go. These scratches are interesting. It's time to spring to action. Wanna come with me? I'm ready.
They're gone. You're now mine. Who's that?
It must be them! They're coming for me!
Well, I'm not gonna let that happen. I gotta hide ya. You're gonna hide inside. Husky dog. Shh. Zip your mouth. Okay, all set. Oh, hi! Come in! Welcome to my humble lair. It's so cozy, isn't it?
CatNap? Wait, DogDay's missing!
Oh no, that's terrible, you poor thing. It's okay.
Be right back. Now, I can put my detective hat on and start investigating. It's my detective board. I have some possible suspects. There's Kane, and there's Huggy.
For sure, it's Huggy. You know, like
100%. Let's not waste time, shall we? What? That's my stomach. When I'm hungry, it goes grrr.
Huh?
Let's start looking for DogDay. Here we go.
Ah! Trespassers!
Have you seen my missing dog?
Nope.
Now, wolf out and stare at me, Enid.
Ah! Why so angry, Wolfie?
Let me scan your fingerprint. No match. It's negative.
What?
Where's DogDay then?
And this is my little secret.
Huh? What's that?
I have a pet fish. And I love her so much.
Let's go, Enid. What? Now? Let's go to Kane's house next. Right! Maybe we'll find DogDay there. I'm ready. Off we go.
Good fishy.
Gotta update my followers.
This house sucks. You don't own me, cat lady.
What? That stupid dog! This one's for you! Stay right there. I gotta get my nails fixed at the beauty spa.
We're actually here.
Welcome to the amazing digital circus. Let's play a little game, shall we?
Whoa!
Find me.
This is so creepy. It's so dark!
Don't be afraid. It's just a game, and here I am. Hi, ladies.
Where's the dog?
Hold your horses, okay? Before I answer that, let's play another game. Ready? It's soccer boy.
I'll do it. Pass.
I'm a varsity player, you know. Shoot, I missed.
Oh, I know. Give me that ball.
Go, Wednesday! Yay!
Ah!
He's down. Let's take his fingerprints. No match.
Oh, what now? Will we ever find DogDay again? I miss you, baby.
Enid, look.
Huh? Super Wednesday?
Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
That hurts. Huh? A guinea pig? Come here, furry little thing. One last game. Can you guess what this is?
Drowning from air?
It's a cat. A cat has your dog.
It must be CatNap. That's right. Get ready. Let's go. DogDay's here. Awesome. We found you at last.
Oh!
Get the laser gun from CatNap to free me. She's crazy.
I'm not afraid of her. I'm crazier than her, remember?
You're so on point, Wednesday. Go do it.
Look at this. She obviously hates dogs. We're gonna get her.
Oh, hi there, BFFs. Grr, dog napper. Stinky wolf. Eat dust. Ah. Don't test me. How pathetic.
This madness has to stop. And there's only one way. Hey there. Sweet dreams.
Huh?
We did it. Literally catnapping. DogDay!
Ouch!
Can't wait to hug you.
Huh?
I got the laser gun. We can free DogDay now. What? Empty battery? Help us recharge the gun by liking the video. Keep the likes coming. More please.
Yeah!
Now the gun's charged.
I'm free.
Oh, DogDay, I missed you! They look so happy.
It's been an adventure. Let's go home now. CatNap, you're canceled.
But I just wanted to play with you guys. I can't play Monopoly by myself.
She has a point. Who plays Monopoly alone? Want to give it a try?
No one wants to play with me.
I can't play, but you know what? I can keep you company.
Aw, I didn't know you're sweet. Feeling better now? I do. Now I know why dogs are man's best friend.
Awesome.